Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the Millennium Cricket League's fiery sun, the stage was set for a Division B classic, the Atlantic locking horns with the Edison Panthers. The toss taken, the Atlantic opted for the bat, unaware of the drama that awaited in this enthralling duel.
As the players took to the field, the air buzzed with the anticipation of a chess match on grass. Both teams poised for a battle of wits and skills, ready to scribble their own epic in the annals of the Millennium Cricket League.
The thrill of the chase, the gust of the wind, and the rapture of the crowd. Our event advertisers have been the wind beneath this thrilling match wings, setting the scene for a spectacle to remember.
DifGen Pharmaceuticals, delivering a century with every product launch, much like the innings we have witnessed today. And Faith Home Healthcare, the steadfast opening partnership you need when care is required, have been pivotal in bringing this battle to life.
A low-scoring thriller unfolded as Atlantic struck with the bat but stumbled under the Panthers' bowling prowess. Krishna Wadali and Yaswant Chinta's partnership resisted, but Priyal Chaudhari's lethal spell turned the tides, leaving a modest target on the board.
The Panthers pounced with calculated aggression, their pursuit marked by moments of hesitation. Yet, as wickets fell, it was the strategic middle-order resilience, speared by Akshat Gaur, that anchored their chase, steering them to a clinching victory amidst rising tension.
The Atlantic innings began with cautious optimism but soon capsized under a storm of fine bowling. Amidst the wreckage, Wadali stood tall, forging a crucial alliance with Chinta, their spirited stand offering resistance and a glimmer of hope.
The Panthers bowled with guile, Chaudhari's 3 wickets an incision through the Atlantic's ambitions. Each delivery spun a web of challenges, with the stripes of the Panthers evident in every strategic field placement and chokehold of the run flow.
The Panthers, in chase, embarked on a jungle run with early scares. A pivotal alliance between Vismay Patel and Akshat Gaur carved the pathway through the thicket, turning potential peril into triumph with measured strokes and calm temperament.
Atlantic's bowlers, spearheaded by the incisive Anand Malwade, clawed back, seeking to impose a twist in the tail. Yet, the Panthers' surge, led by Sangat Kotek's fierce cameo, proved too compelling, sealing the script with flourish.
In this tale of grit, Priyal Chaudhari's spellbinding performance with the ball and Krishna Wadali's anchor role with the bat shone bright. Their feats etched in today's cricketing lore as the game's pivotal forces.
Chaudhari's bowling wizardry was the spell that curtailed the Atlantic's surge, while Wadali's innings was the mast that held their ship steady in choppy waters. These heroes dictated the ebb and flow, sculpting the outcome with their exploits.
Panthers' prowess prevails in Division B duel, as they clinch victory by 5 wickets. A battle where strategy outshines strength, the Atlantic's heart not enough against the stealth and precision of their rivals.
A tightrope walk to triumph, the Panthers emerged from the dust victorious, their celebration a testament to the spirit of the chase. For Atlantic, it's a story of what could have been as they ponder the final blows that sealed their fate. As the sun sets on this clash, it's like the final act of a Shakespearean play, the heroes and their fates sealed with applause and introspection. The Panthers' win, a tale of timing and tactics, will be recounted for seasons to come.
In the echoing roars of the departing crowd lies the memory of a gripping tale. Atlantic's resilience and Panthers' precision are the yin and yang of today's saga, setting the stage for future battles where they will once again vie for cricketing supremacy.